The M1E3 Abrams tank has symbolized American armored dominance since the 1970s. For more than 5 decades, it has been the most lethal and survivable main battle tank on Earth, combining overwhelming firepower, unmatched protection, and battlefield reliability. From the Cold War to the deserts of the Middle East, the Abrams has proven one thing again and again. When American armor arrives, a balance of power shifts immediately. But war never stands still. Technology moves forward, enemies adapt, and the battlefield evolves. The M1E3 Abrams exists because dominance must be renewed, not remembered. Modern warfare is no longer defined by steel alone. Today, victory belongs to the force that sees first, thinks faster, and connects every sensor, shooter, and decision-maker into a single network. Think of the original smartphone. It was revolutionary at calls and messages, but without apps, connectivity, and constant updates, it would be obsolete today. Earlier Abrams variants were the best phones imaginable. The M1E3 is the Abrams with an ecosystem. It is the platform that brings the digital world fully into armored warfare. At its core, the M1E3 Abrams is built around a digital front end and an open systems architecture. Inside the tank, traditional gauges and isolated controls are replaced by configurable digital displays. Each crew member sees mission-specific information tailored to their role. Data flows smoothly between sensors, weapons, and command systems, reducing confusion and speeding decision-making. Because the architecture is open, new technologies can be integrated quickly, allowing the tank to evolve as threats change. This flexibility ensures the M1E3 will remain relevant for decades. The most transformative feature of the M1E3 is connectivity. This tank is no longer just a shooter, it is a command hub. From inside its armored shell, the crew can control drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and robotic sensors. Instead of sending soldiers blindly into danger, the M1E3 sends machines first. Drones scout ahead, identify threats, and map terrain, while robots perform the most dangerous tasks. This reflects a new and moral philosophy of warfare: trade blood for steel. America's next first battle should not begin with humans exposed to enemy fire. It should begin with unmanned systems absorbing the risk. The M1E3 makes this possible by serving as a protected mothership for robotic operations. Crews remain mobile, armored, and informed, while robots extend their reach far beyond line of sight. This fundamentally changes how armored units fight and survive. Training has also been transformed. The M1E3's controls are designed to resemble modern digital and gaming environments. This is intentional. Younger generations already understand complex interfaces, simulations, and virtual systems. As a result, training time is reduced and proficiency is achieved faster. A soldier raised on simulators and games can adapt quickly, focusing on tactics rather than fighting unfamiliar controls. This approach turns cultural change into a military advantage. Advanced American computing power sits at the heart of the M1E3. High-performance processors enable artificial intelligence tools that assist the crew by filtering sensor data, prioritizing threats, and reducing cognitive overload. These systems do not replace human judgment, they enhance it. In high-intensity combat, faster and clearer decisions save lives. The M1E3 ensures that crews fight with both experience and machine precision. Mobility remains essential, but its meaning has evolved. Recent conflicts have shown that stationary armor is vulnerable armor. Drones and precision weapons punish units that linger. The M1E3 addresses this reality through weight reduction and improved efficiency. With up to 50% reduction in fuel consumption for the same mission profile, the tank can operate longer, move farther, and rely less on vulnerable supply convoys. Fewer convoys means fewer targets and fewer casualties. Improved efficiency also enables extended silent operations. The M1E3 can power its sensors, communications, and drone links without constantly running a loud, heat-producing engine. This silent watch capability reduces detection and increases survivability. Lighter weight and better agility allow the tank to cross terrain and infrastructure that older versions could not, making it harder to predict and harder to kill. Beyond the battlefield, the M1E3 represents American industrial strength. Built with U.S. companies, American workers, and domestic technology, it supports jobs from traditional manufacturing centers to advanced tech sectors. It demonstrates that the United States can still lead in heavy industry and cutting-edge innovation at the same time. Every component reflects a national commitment to excellence and self-reliance. Strategically, the message is unmistakable. The United States Army is adapting to the realities of 21st century warfare without abandoning the proven strengths of armored combat. Allies see reassurance. Adversaries see deterrence. The M1E3 Abrams tells the world that American forces will never enter a fair fight. They will enter with overwhelming technological and operational advantage. The M1E3 Abrams is still unmistakably a tank. It retains legendary protection and devastating firepower. What it adds is intelligence, connectivity, and adaptability. It is a bridge between traditional armor and future warfare, ensuring that American soldiers deploy with the best possible chance of success and survival. Built by Americans, operated by professionals, empowered by technology, the M1E3 Abrams is not just the next tank, it is the future of armored dominance, rolling forward to secure peace through unquestioned strength. The M1E3 Abrams represents the next evolution of American armored dominance. Building on decades of proven protection and firepower, it adds a fully digital, networked architecture designed for modern warfare. The M1E3 connects crews with drones, robots, and advanced sensors, allowing machines to take the most dangerous roles while soldiers remain protected. Intuitive gaming-style controls reduce training time and enhance combat effectiveness. Improved efficiency and reduced fuel consumption increase mobility and survivability on drone-saturated battlefields. Built with American technology and industry, the M1E3 delivers overwhelming, unfair advantage while prioritizing soldier safety and battlefield superiority in future high-intensity conflicts worldwide. Today,